Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech World. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your PayPal account's password using your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. If you've forgotten your PayPal account's password during the login process, and you don't know what to do next, simply follow the steps here. Let me tap open my PayPal app. First, you must know that in order to get logged into your account, you will need to enter your email address followed by your password that you said during the sign-up process for PayPal, but sometimes there might be cases when you don't remember your password at all. So in that case, right when it asks for your password, simply tap on the Forgot Your Password link beneath the box. On the next page, confirm your email address. It might be already typed in, but if you've not done that yet, make sure to type in the correct email address associated with your PayPal. In case you don't remember your email as well, you can tap on Forgot to Email, the link right next to Next button, and follow the on-screen prompts in order to find your email address. Once you have an email address, tap on Next. On the next page, you have an option to receive a text message on your mobile number that is associated with your PayPal account. Tap the Next button to receive it. Now wait until the security code arrives on your mobile number. And once it does, type it in or paste it in. Finally, tap the Continue button after you're done. On the next page, you can go ahead and reset your password to a new one. Create a new password that you're trying to change to. For PayPal wants to type in your password that you are trying to reset. To confirm your password on the next field by typing it again, you have an option to tick this box right where it says Log Out of All Devices. This can be done for your security as well. If your PayPal account is logged in with other devices, you'll be able to tick on this box and log out of all devices where PayPal is logged in. Finally, tap on the Save button and you'll be able to reset your password to a new one for PayPal. Next time you log into your account, make sure to enter the new password that you just reset to. That is how you can easily get out of this situation whenever you've forgotten your password for your PayPal account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.